On a normal day, I'll generate around $600 in passive income. And in this video, I'm going to give you some realistic strategies where you can walk away and start your passive income streams, even if you have less than $100 to get started. So if you're starting with nothing, definitely stick around to the end of this video to get the best strategies on how you can start making money online and turn them into passive income streams. Now, Gary Vee always says and claims that there's no such thing as passive income. However, I don't agree with him at all. I hope he's watching this video, because there's been several times where I'll have messages like this pop up where it's like, oh, you've received this amount of money and blah, blah, blah. And I'm, I don't know, washing the dishes. I'm outside. I'm running an errand. I'm traveling the world. That is not active income. I did not have to go work and trade my time for money in order to generate that passive income sale. So, Gary Vee, I'm definitely willing to put up that argument. So let's get into the first way on how you can start generating passive income, and that is through SEO, or search engine optimization. So basically, you'll be leveraging either a blog, website, or a YouTube channel so that you can take advantage of all the search traffic that's on there, so you can drive traffic to either a blog, website, or a YouTube channel and promote any type of product that you want to. So let's say, for example, that you're starting a website. Let's say you're a mom really into fitness and you're a nutrition trainer and you specialize in mothers helping them lose postpartum weight. Well, you could easily start a blog about that topic, right? Because niche blogging is very, very, very profitable. And evergreen content is what's going to come out of either a blog, website, or a YouTube channel, because you're going to be talking about evergreen topics. And you might be thinking, Marissa, well, what do you mean by evergreen? Well, basically, evergreen means you're producing content on topics that won't expire, right? So how to lose weight your first 60 days after having a baby. There's going to be moms having babies forever, and they're always going to be looking for that topic, okay? So the key is, if you look at some of the most profitable blogs that take advantage of SEO, they're promoting all their favorite affiliate links on there. They're promoting their own digital products. They're monetizing their channel like crazy, and they're also hosting a bunch of advertisements. So other people who want to advertise on their blog are paying them to do that and to put their advertisements on there. So that's, 1, 2, 3 income streams right off the bat that becomes passive when you create this niche specific blog and take advantage of SEO. And to give you another example of a niche blog page that is really killing it with passive income is a blog that's aimed at, moms and their daughters, because it's about pixie fairies. So the dolls called pixie fairies. And I'm pretty sure the last time I checked, this blog is generating like $60,000 net profit on this website, because it's so niche specific in the toy industry. And little girls are always going to want dolls, and parents are always going to want to buy toys for their daughters, and so that's why it performs so well. And so if you take that concept of a niche blog and put it on a YouTube channel, that is also a super passive way to generate income. I can think of 10 different ways to monetize the YouTube channel, again, with promoting affiliate products, with your own products, your coaching, consulting, your merchandise, whatever it is you want to promote on your YouTube channel. Maybe you have an e-commerce store. You can drive traffic to that store as well on your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more actually about how I got this channel that you're watching up to multiple 6 figures, you can check out my subscribers to sales blueprint, which you can download up here, or the first link in the description, which goes over the exact 6 steps that help me go from 0 to very profitable, and it'll help you with your online business or generating passive income, whatever you'd like. And so one of the things that really makes a niche blog or a niche YouTube channel really pop is incorporating affiliate marketing products, or promoting products that you already use. So if you're, for example, in the fitness niche and there's supplements and gear or other products that you're using daily, and you can recommend them and either get a one-time commission for referring the sale, or you have a product that requires a subscription-based payment, those are the best. So then you can generate a recurring revenue from those affiliate products. So definitely consider, when you marry a SEO website or SEO YouTube channel with affiliate marketing, it's like heaven. Okay, because those are pure passive income profits, and you'll be able to make money while you're sleeping, while you're outside, while you're spending time with your family. So definitely consider that once starting your SEO channel or blog. All right, so the second way to generate some passive income if you're pressed for cash is to review apps or websites. Now, this is very, very popular because, as a matter of fact, when I was desperate for cash 2.5 years ago, when I had like 60 grand in debt and I could barely pay my bills, I was like, you know what, I need to generate an income fast. This is exactly what I did. I actually took it a step further, not only reviewed products, but I reviewed new products to the market. So new products that are coming out in any industry, really. I focused on the business tool and online business niche because that was what I was most familiar with. But any new product that is going into the market, it's cool if you actually review it. Why? Because when you review that product, when it is launching, people are going to type in to Google or into YouTube, you know, product name / review, good or bad. And when your YouTube video or your article is in position to receive that traffic, you're going to get the affiliate sale for that product. And so this method that I was doing was actually called launch jacking. And that's, you know, it's exactly what it sounds like. You're jacking all the new traffic that is coming to these review products. And so that is a great way to make a lot of money fast. Like if, you know, again, you're in a desperate situation, launch jacking is a really good strategy to capture that review traffic and direct the sales to the product that you're selling. You know, other things that you can do is create a dedicated review YouTube channel or blog post to a specific tool. Maybe you're really good with building websites and maybe you do it with Squarespace or you do it with Bluehost and WordPress. All of these programs have affiliate links. So if you were to start maybe a review channel or a website teaching people how to use this product, that is a win-win, because not only are you teaching and the person is learning from you how to use this specific tool, but they're going to actually subscribe to your affiliate link for this product or service. And what I love about business tool subscriptions is that it's recurring and it's passive income. So you'll be receiving recurring affiliate commissions while you're creating these reviews on this particular tool or app or whatever it is you're familiar with and want to promote. Other tools that you could use, let's say, because most businesses now are based online, especially us going through COVID-19 and this pandemic. So many businesses have, you know, turned all their products online and have found ways to, you know, make their brick and mortar service something that's available online. So just about every single business is going to need an email marketing platform. Every single business is going to need sales funnels, and there's so many different tools and websites out there that have sales funnel builders that have the ability to host your email marketing. And if you're somebody who is well versed in one of these programs, I definitely advise that you can promote it. Just say, hey, like, you know, I'm using this tool called whatever, and I do recommend it to you because it's done so many great things for my business. So that way you can have your subscription paid for and start to generate some extra cash and passive income while doing it. You know, other ideas that I've seen are, you know, apps. Maybe you're somebody that's into the stock market and your stock market app that you use has an affiliate program. And to go back to the example of the sales funnel builders, for example, I use a tool called Kartra, which is an all-in-one online business platform that has all these things you need to run a business online, right? Whether you're brick and mortar or whether you're online. And what I do is I help people learn the tool because I think it's the most economical option when you're looking at sales funnel builders and email marketing platforms. So I offer people help, an extra bonus when they subscribe to Kartra, because people need help getting started. So I give them value, they sign up with my affiliate link, and I receive that affiliate recurring commission of 40% for a lifetime or however long they decide to subscribe to Kartra. All right, so the next way to create passive income is through outsourcing. Now, this is a new concept, not a new concept, but this is something that I've never talked before directly on my channel. And the reason why outsourcing is so powerful is because you're leveraging somebody else's time to do the work that you were doing so that you don't have to do it, and you can earn income by somebody else doing the work. I know that was a lot, but what does this mean? So let's say you are a coach. Let's say you're an acting coach that helps other actors get on Broadway, get auditions, and whatever it is their career goals are. Well, you have this coaching program and you're doing a lot of one-on-one calls, a lot of one-on-one consulting, right? And then you think, man, like I'm making good money, but I don't have much time. Well, maybe you develop a group coaching program where you can coach several people at a time, and it helps free up more of your time so that you can scale the business and do other types of work to help bring in more income to the business. One thing you can do is outsource somebody else to be the coach. And I know what you're thinking, like, well, how can I possibly teach somebody so that they can relay the correct information to the students? Well, this is something that actually I've been thinking about doing because I'm like really good at SEO, YouTube, and video marketing. I actually have a program that teaches students how to build profitable YouTube channels, right? So what you could do is look on different networks like Upwork and different freelancing networks where you can find these experts that you can hire to help you manage your coaching business. Okay, because trust me, you're not the only acting expert. You're not the only fitness, nutrition expert, wealth expert. There's other experts out there that are definitely looking to help you in your business and grow and take over some of that load that you are doing right now. So outsourcing tasks is a great way to have somebody else do the work, but yet you still receive the income that is coming in. So that is how you can scale and generate a passive income stream with outsourcing a job to somebody else. Another example you can think about is with graphic design. If you're a freelancer and you're doing graphic design work for companies like, you're doing logos, you're doing branding style guides or whatever it is, you can outsource some work to another graphic designer that can help you. So that way you guys could take on more clients and start to increase and generate more income. Definitely consider what right now in your business or in your future online business is outsourceable. All right, so the fourth way to really create some great passive income is to sell your knowledge. Package up your knowledge, teach something, and sell it. It's really that simple. And there's so many different ways to get started with this. There's so many different platforms where you can host your video course. There really is no excuse now why you can't be selling your knowledge via a digital product, okay? As Amy Porterfield says, there's a course in everyone. There's some type of knowledge you have in there that you can teach somebody else. There's a challenge that you've overcome in your life that you can help people with, right? For example, I used to live in Phoenix, Arizona, and there is somebody I know that recently started her business on fertility, right? She has an amazing story of how she was able to overcome fertility and have her first child, but it took her a lot of trying. It was something that her and her husband, like, they had a couple miscarriages and it was a really rough time. And it was challenging to have their first baby, but they were able to have their first daughter. And so that is a challenge and a beautiful thing that she overcame. And now she could help other moms struggling with fertility start their journey to having a baby and not having to adopt, right? So in this example, she's doing one-on-one coaching right now, but what she could do is teach in a course everything that she went through. I forget the technical terms, but basically they tried everything, and they can go through and create different modules on what they tried. So that way she doesn't have to explain from scratch every single time what she did in her fertility journey, right? She can just have somebody take the online course, and if they want more help, then she can offer the one-on-one coaching services. And so that right there, let's say she has a course for $100 on fertility, that becomes passive income because she creates the course one time, and after it sells, then that becomes passive. She doesn't have to create the course over and over and over. So if you have no audience, you have no following, there are a few websites that you can use to get up and going and to sell a couple courses. There's websites like Udemy and Skillshare where you create the course and basically the platform does the selling for you. Now, this is a great option if you have nothing getting started, but I do recommend that eventually you sell your own course on your own website because that's how you're gonna make the most money, right? These other websites don't pay you what your course is really worth. Like Udemy, they can sell your course on a special for Thanksgiving for $21 if they want to, right? They have control of their own platform and of you and of what they charge for your course. So definitely consider selling it on your own website if you really want to generate that income. All right, so the next way to generate passive income with virtually no money is to create a sales funnel. Now, what does this mean to create a sales funnel? So you're going to generate a revenue machine because with sales funnels, it's basically taking all the concepts that we talked about and putting it into one. Okay, so a blog and a YouTube channel, that's generating traffic for you. Okay, and then when you're generating traffic, you want to start building your email list because your email list is your most hottest source of traffic that you're ever going to have. Okay, so that is why it is so important to build your email list because you don't own YouTube, you don't own Instagram, LinkedIn, any of these social media platforms. So that's why the goal is to get them off of these platforms and into your own email marketing system or platform, right? And so as I mentioned before, I use a tool called Kartra, and we actually offer if you subscribe to Kartra and are ready to implement sales funnels and automation into your business, then we do have a bonus course that we offer when you subscribe to Kartra today. So you can find out more about that. It's called Funnels on Fire, and I'll leave the link in the description so you can find out more. So as I was saying, you have traffic, which is basically the top of your funnel. And when people opt in, when you offer a freebie, like whether it's an ebook, something free to give away of value so that people can opt into your list, when you go down the funnel is when you do email marketing. You give value and you market to your email subscribers on that list. And the goal at the bottom of the funnel is to make a sale, right? That's the whole purpose of sales funnels. It's basically a buying experience, and it's no different than when you go through the drive-thru at McDonald's and they upsell you a burger and fries. There's real life funnels everywhere you look. This online sales funnel is just referring to an online buying process. So the reason why automation is so powerful is because you can set up everything within a funnel. Your product checkouts, you can receive money at any time of the day. You can have automatic email sequences, emailing your customers a login to your course, right? So it's not you having to email out people over and over when they buy from you and you have to fulfill it and go to your computer and like say, okay, I'll give you access to my course. No, a sales funnel will do every single thing for you automatically. And that's why it's really the ultimate passive income generator. And again, if you are interested in learning more about the program I use to generate a lot of passive income online, Kartra, go ahead and check it out in the description below. So if you're still here, I applaud you. Thank you so much. Why don't we keep the party going, keep learning and growing together. And I invite you to watch this free masterclass that is starting in the next 15 minutes. So you can go ahead, click the link below, register, and grab your spot within the next 15 minutes. And in that class, we're gonna go over my 4-step framework to building a YouTube channel that sells. And that incorporates everything that we talked about in today's video, all right? So we'll see you on the masterclass.